All right, so I've got a little special video here. I'm going to talk about some profitable trades that we made during this wave, and I'm going to go through the Telegram group on the side. I took some pictures of some of the trades that were made in there to really see how profitable they are um, over this amount of time. So basically, what I did here during Ethereum Classic, this was an accumulation range for me. So my average cost was probably between like $3 and $4, let's say $4 and $5. These red lines up here, whenever I said I'm taking profits on Ethereum Classic, I did take a very like 10% of my profits, around like $75, I think, too. But the majority was within this range. So let's go over here. It's showing the same targets. I took those profits off. Let's take an average cost of both of those with it, which is $110, and it did retrace back down about 71% since then. Um, it has rallied since that time, which I have now moved a lot of that Ethereum Classic into some other trades as well. So I'm just trying to show you that um, the way that I do things will get you out pretty close to the top. Not all the time. Sometimes I might miss it. Um, but there are quite a few trades in here that we were able to take some profit. So the first one would be Ethereum Classic, and that was a total of, say, let's just say $5. 2,100% of profit. Okay, let's go to the next one. Dogecoin. So I posted, let's see what I have. I've been following Doge, and yes, it's back at the target. I don't trust that breakout at all. Bearish divergence on the 4 hour, too risky for me. So that was April 20th. Let's go look at Doge. Some of the alts did probably bottom here and have another leg up. That's the first post up there. So April 20th. So this is when I was talking about it right here. I've got a line here at 43 cents. Let's move that down. All right, let's say 40 cents. Okay, so that would be, where are we at now? So it did move up since then, but it did fall. It fell right after that 60%. So you could have re entered after that 60% drop and then rallied for another 300%. But where we're at now, let's see the drop. It did drop, if you would have stayed out of it, about 60%. And then from now we're at 40%. So getting out of, whenever I tell people that I'm taking profits, sometimes it can rally, not all the time, but there are certain indicators where I'm getting out, and then if you wanted to get back in, you could. If Doge breaks from here, I would expect the last run to be quick and a sell-off. So we did have that retracement. We broke from there, and then the sell-off was quick. 77%. Okay, so I've converted AMP and GRT for more LTC. So February 2nd, February 12th. So AMP USD. February 12th was literally this wick right here. So somewhere within this range, I don't know the time frame, but let's take that out right here. Okay, so halfway through, I sold there, and then it retraced 60%. You could have bought back in down here, and then we're barely even above that. If I would have stayed in, I would have made an extra 20% riding this up and down. But I did convert that to LTC, so let's look at LTC. And that was February 12th. Okay, so right here. And we did move up from there. And I did not take profit, so I'm down on that position. 157. Where are we at now? 157. Down 11%. And then GRT. Where did I get out of that? GRT USD. February 12. Okay, so I sold right here and then converted that to LTC, which I would be down on that LTC position 11%. I sold right here and we're down 67%. So overall, I'm up in LTC. So I own more LTC because I got out of GRT and AMP. And I was already up, 800% and then 2,000%. I got into GRT somewhere, I think at 20 cents, right whenever it was listed on Coinbase. I purchased this one and then I traded some out here. And then I believe I bought some back and sold literally almost at the top, right at the top. Doesn't happen often, but sometimes you can get that moving into another crypto and make more money on it. Yeah, so 81%. Okay, so Raven. I sold Raven. Let's get rid of these real quick. RVN USD. I just had Raven sitting there. I didn't have much. I bought some a long time ago and I think I got rid of it and had like $10 in there, or not very much. But I just want to use this as an example for selling and taking profits. So I took profits around 26.5 and we've had a retracement 80%. So I moved that. I believe I moved it into Neo. I think Neo is probably at $40 or something like that. But I've made made out really well on Raven. These are just what I'm going over right now. Okay, so T Fuel. Let's look at T Fuel. That image isn't very great, but you can look up here. Sold at 56. See if I can zoom in real quick. Yeah, 56. Okay, so $1,000 was the profit I made. I purchased $1,000 of that one. So let's see how that looks. Oh, that's Theta. T Fuel. That's not what I want. T Fuel. Okay, there we are. So I sold at 56 cents, and that was back in March. So March 24th. Look at this. On the day at 56 cents. Right there. Okay. And then it had a retracement. And yeah, we went higher, but I got out of it, never got back into it. I really wanted to buy at about 17 cents on this wick right here, but it wasn't a really good place for me to enter. Um, and I took that money and put it in my life. So could have re-entered at negative 73%. So that was my profit taking point. And this I bought, it was a 10x return. So I think it must have been at 5. I believe it was right here. I think it was somewhere around right in here. Okay, so that's another one. And I converted ETH into T Fuel. Harmony. So our initial purchase was 3 cents, 0.034 cents. So let's look at that. So right here, and then when did we sell it? 19 cents, 19.5. I guess I don't have the post for it. It's in the Telegram. If you search one, you'll find it. Purchasing one Harmony. I couldn't find it because there's a lot of, when you use the search bar, you can search for one, but there's a lot of ones in that whole Telegram because I talk about the 1 day, 1 week, and etc. Okay, so 3 cents. We entered right here, and then we sold at 19 cents, 19.1, 442%. So we sold right within this cluster right here, and I never re-entered one yet. Okay, 40% of my maker, MKR USD. Purchase maker at I think I bought maker. I don't think I bought it this year, so I bought it within this range down here, somewhere within here, and I sold it at 6154. That's close enough. Okay, so I sold 40%. I didn't have much, so I just wanted to hang on to some just in case. Um, but that was my exit target. I haven't rebought back yet, um, but that's where we're at right now. So a retracement of 54%, and then farther if you would have bought it back down to almost 70%. Okay, so that was my exit. And then Matic, sold Matic here on May 18th. Let's see if there's a better chart. Matic, MSD. Here we are. Okay. So I even posted something about this being like a head and shoulders here in the Telegram group, and once it breaks that, it would move. Um, I think I bought it. Yeah, I think I bought it around 2 cents, 3 cents. Let's just say even 4 cents. Okay, so let's just say I bought it at 4 cents, and we sold on May 18th. Literally the top. Okay, so we're down. It's down 58% right now. So the top of the run, we sold right at one of these tweezer tops, and my profit from 4 cents is 6,500%. And I moved some to SHIB for a small gamble, not all of it, but SHIB's down probably 50% from where I put it in there. But I didn't put much. I took a lot of this out of the market. Okay, that's it. I mean, I can look at Ethereum. I did have my target here. This is a missed target. Well, you always want to kind of take profits early, but that was one of my boxes I put in for taking profits. I thought we would reach a little bit farther into this box, so I didn't end up taking profits on my ETH, unfortunately. Next time, I will be taking some profits on my first target, and we fell from there. So some of them I miss, some of them I get, some of them I get right at the top, some of them I don't. There are some trades that we're still in that we're still waiting for to move up. And once we resume the bull market, we will be exiting some of those positions. So, but I think we're going significantly higher within this year, the next 365 days. So just be patient, and we'll start making some of those trades. I think I have covered all of the good trades, the winning trades that we've done so far. And XLM, I'm still holding on to. Um, yeah, XLM, I'm still holding on to. Litecoin, I'm still holding on to. BCH, I'm still holding on to. There's a lot of them that I didn't take profits, mainly because I expect them to have some bigger gains throughout the year, and eventually we'll be taking profits off those. I just wanted to do a little bit of my own research and pull up some of my winning trades and where we got out of some of the trades, and and what we're kind of doing from this point on. So I got 2 videos for you today. I just wanted to do this to kind of show you all that. Just, I know it's boring right now, but whenever things start moving up, we'll start making some money. All right, I'll talk to y'all later.